11. वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग थियरम, वेरी हेवीली यूज थियरम, बहुत यूज होने वाला है ये. ऑपोजिट एंगल्स ऑफ अ साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलैटरल. कौन होगा साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलैटरल? Do you have any idea what is a cyclic quadrilateral?
Quadrilateral inside a circle.
Correct. Quadrilateral inscribed in a circle. मतलब सर्कल के अंदर quadrilateral are supplementary. Cyclic quadrilaterals के opposite angles always become 180 degrees. That is what we have to prove. Understood the question? So this is my center O. B, A, B, C. So can I say ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral? Because all the points of the quadrilateral are inscribed in the circumference, or are at the circumference, and the quadrilateral is inscribed in the circle. Can I call this a cyclic quadrilateral? What do I have to prove? Angle A plus angle C is 180 degrees, and angle D plus angle B is also equal to 180 degrees. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Supplementary means equal to 180 degrees. That is what I have to prove. Here I also have a construction. So first let me write down this part, then I will explain the diagram. Given. Now you understand how to write your givens. So first we will write what? A circle with center O. A quadrilateral inscribed in the circle. To prove, what do I have to prove? Angle BAC plus angle BCB is equal to 180 degrees, and I also have to prove angle ABC plus angle ADC is equal to 180 degrees. Opposites are supplementary, right? Angle ABC plus angle ADC is also equal to 180 degrees. This is what I have to prove. My construction will be, yes?
So there instead of DAC,
DAC, DAB, correct. DAB, right. DAB plus BCB is equal to 180. Correct. क्या चल रहा है आप लोग दोनों का?
गलत है.
अभी देखो सब लोग बोर्ड पे देखो. See, the construction that I will make at this point is always a easy construction to make. Join कर दो सेंटर को A और C से. So what are my constructions? Join OA, O2A and O2C. समझ में आया? Now let's come to the point. How do we prove this? We are coming to the proof. So everyone pay attention. Okay. Arc ABC. This is arc ABC. This is my arc ABC. Arc ABC subtends a certain angle here, which is double the angle here. इधर तक क्लियर हुआ? So can I say AOC is equal to 2 times ADC? Can I say AOC? Angle AOC is 2 times angle ADC. यही तो हमने फर्स्ट प्रूफ किया था ना? यही तो प्रूफ किया था ना हम लोगों ने? Angle at the center is twice the angle at any other point on the circumference of the circle. So can I say ADC is nothing but half of AOC? ADC is half of AOC. इतना तो क्लियर हुआ? ADC is half of AOC. ये अरे तू कैसा ले लिया? ADC हाफ ऑफ AOC हो गया कि नहीं? इधर तक समझ में आया? Now very important. Look at the board. This is also an arc, ना?
ADC.
Major arc है ना ये major arc. So this is also an angle or not?
Yes.
This is called as reflex angle AOC. What is it called?
Reflex angle.
If this is angle AOC, the major angle, which is the obtuse angle, is going to be called as the reflex angle AOC. कभी भी reflex angle AOC बोलेंगे तो हम ये वाला एंगल लेंगे. AOC का जो कंटेंट जोन है उसके बाहर का मतलब वो उसके 360 माइनस AOC is reflex angle AOC. Reflex angle का कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आया? Now let's understand this. This is also the now reflex angle AOC. Reflex angle AOC is the angle subtended at the center by arc ADC or not?
Yes.
Reflex angle AOC is the angle subtended at the center by this major arc. So can I say angle reflex angle AOC is equal to this is going to be twice of ABC or not? वही लॉजिक से this was twice of this, so this is also going to be twice of this. अरे बेटा फर्स्ट थियरम जो था आपका that this angle any angle subtended by any arc at the center is double at any other point. तो ये भी सेंटर पे आर्क बना रहा है कि नहीं? ये वाला ऑरेंज वाला जो आर्क है, this orange arc, what is the angle it is subtending at the center? This angle or not?
Reflex angle.
This angle it is subtending at the center. So this is going to be double of any other angle. So ABC is any other angle or not? ये इसका डबल होगा कि नहीं? ये आर्क देखो.
समझा.
इसको नहीं समझा? Honestly हाथ उठाओ.
समझा.
जिसको नहीं समझ में आया, because this is a very important theorem.
Join O to A and O to C.
Okay. This is the center O. This is by A, B, C, D. If look at the board everyone. If angle AOC is subtended by ABC arc at the center, then can I say AOC is 2 times ADC?
Yes.
If angle AOC, reflex angle AOC is subtended by arc ADC at the center, can I say this is double this angle? Because this green arc is subtending this angle at the center and this at any other point of the circle. है कि नहीं है? So this will also be double of this or not? So can I say reflex angle AOC is equal to 2 times angle ABC? Or can I say half of reflex angle AOC is equal to angle ABC? इतना बोल सकते हैं? Both are clear to you? Now tell me if from this statement and this statement, angle AOC plus reflex angle AOC कितना होता है? Angle AOC plus reflex angle AOC कितना होगा? 360 degrees होगा कि नहीं? This angle plus this angle is how much? 360. So can I say AOC? These two statements I am taking. AOC, half AOC plus half ABC. Half AOC plus half ABC plus half reflex angle AOC. Half AOC plus half reflex angle AOC is equal to 360 degrees or not?
Yes.
But that is equal to ADC plus ABC. Half of AOC plus reflex AOC. तभी half ना? तो half पे बाहर कॉमन ले लूँ? half कॉमन ले लिया. But AOC plus reflex of AOC is how much? 360. That is equal to ABC plus ADC or not?
Yes.
But half of 360 is 180. So can I say ABC plus ADC is equal to 180? अगर ABC plus ADC 180 तो BSC plus DC भी तो 180 होना पड़ेगा ना? Because interior angle किधर का भी cyclic हो non cyclic हो for quadrilaterals is 360. Did you understand the logic of this? Shall we write the proof? So the proof for this theorem will be how will be. I start writing the proof from here. Please write statement. You jungly people need to do this statement. I thought you all people can manage and reason. ठीक है? Statement और reason. क्या होगा? आर ए बी सी subtends angle AOC at the center given. Second, therefore angle AOC is equal to 2 times angle ABC. Why? What will be the reasoning? Angle at the center is twice the angle at the remaining surface, circumference.
And set low angle BC.
Angle at the center is twice the angle at the surface. Therefore, angle ABC is equal to half of angle AOC. This is my statement 1. Now, 4. Similarly, reflex angle AOC is equal to 2 times angle ABC. है कि नहीं है? Why? Same reason. Angle at the center is twice.
Now वो third का reason क्या है? Same. Third का reason.
इसी का तो reasoning है.
हाँ, तो
I took half to the left hand side.
हाँ, तो कुछ नहीं लिखना है.
कुछ भी नहीं. Angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. What does this mean? 5. Therefore, angle ABC is equal to half of reflex angle AOC. 6. So this is my statement 2. 6. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, what do I get? Angle ADC plus angle ABC is equal to half of angle AOC plus half of reflex angle AOC. I have just added 1 and 2. ठीक है? ADC plus ABC क्या है? कुछ भी नहीं है. ADC plus ABC है. ADC plus angle ABC is equal to half of 360 or not? What will be the reasoning for this? Reflex angle AOC plus angle AOC is equal to 360 degrees. Therefore, angle ADC plus angle ABC is equal to 180 degrees. 7th statement. Now, 8th statement is what? 8th statement is angle ADC plus angle ABC plus angle BCD plus angle BAB is equal to 360 degrees. Why? Sum of all angles of a quadrilateral. Ninth. Therefore, angle DAB plus angle BAB plus angle DCB is equal to 360 degrees. This is statement 3. From 3, hence proved. Got it everyone? समझ में आया सबको ये वाला? Proof समझ में आया?